Sabay-sabay po tayong lahat. Okay? So wait lang po at ipe-play ni ate yung birthday song. Okay? Sasabayin natin yung tune ng clapping of our hands para mas masaya yung birthday niya. Okay lang po. Wait lang. Birthday song na po tayo. Lahat magkaklap ng hands. Hindi kakain ang hindi napalakpak habang siya ay habang inaawit ang birthday song. Opo, tama. Okay. Ate Oche, waka mo. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.